Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So it is Saturday. He's gonna finally get his barbecue. And then we have to go to Walmart and get stuff for Sunday dinner. Then I'm gonna work on some samples and orders. This is Pam reporting. How was your barbecue?
It was good.
Was it everything you hoped it would be?
It was. It actually was.
Sup? So I am going to go to work. It's like I want to work, but I'm like at the point where I'm like, I just need to do it. So I think I'm going to. I started up the machine out there. I want to work on some samples too, so I think I'm going to redo this shirt on this because it's already set up for it. I'm going to redo this one. Then after I get that done, I might work on some other stuff. So we're at church. Watch me fall down the steps.
Such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my, could you be my, would you be my neighbor?
Won't you be my neighbor?
Hello, boys and girls.
What are you doing? Playing video games? Playing Pop It.
How's your headset? How's your headset working out? You good? Yeah, it works.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm cold. I just went outside and took a couple pictures of just some sets that I've already had, but I just haven't gotten around to getting outside. And it is 2:37, so the sun's not really optimal right now, but the sun was out. It is cold outside though. I never did get around to showing you guys what I made yesterday, which is out there. But I did work on several orders. I remade that one that I messed up, and then I had another one to make, so I made that. But I'm going to work on some samples. I might work on a couple orders as well. I want to get my order list down. I've gotten a few orders the past few days, which is just wonderful.
Mom,
Yeah.
what I'm taking.
What?
Gummies.
Oh, your gummy vitamins, which is absolutely wonderful. So I'm very excited about. And not only did I get orders, I dropped my camera. Like 4 of them were ribbon trims. So I'm talking about. So I will be able to afford groceries this week. And I did meet my $300 mark that I wanted to meet. I'm hoping I might be able to get, hold on, sorry, it's a stabilizer. I'm hoping I'll be able to maybe, you know, surpass, why is this here? Maybe I'll be able to surpass that and get $400. That would be remarkable, because now that I got orders in, I am going to have to order some additional shirts. So I'm just like, I've got more ruffles. It's so crazy. You guys want to hear what was crazy? I'll tell you. So maybe I did. No, maybe I didn't. I don't even know. So, you know, if you order with Angela, you earn what I call AJ bucks. So basically, for every $1 or so much you spend, I don't even know what it is, but you earn points, and then you can redeem them points for a coupon code. So I do that every so often, and so I had $33 worth of coupon. So I'm like, you all know I'm broke, so I'm like, I have to use this. So because I only had like 20 something dollars in my cart of shirts that I was technically going to pay for out of my pocket, I just went ahead and added a couple more shirts, you know, that way, you know, me making the most of my coupon, right? But I ordered, they were supposed to come in yesterday, but they didn't, which, you know, it's the mail. I'm looking for my order, not that. Oh, might help if I'm in the right email. Okay, there we go.
Mom.
Yes, baby.
You know, it's supposed to be in the beds like this.
Do I know flips that are supposed to be on the bed?
No,
What?
they're supposed to be like this on the ground.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I might get hurt if I did it.
But he can.
Yeah, I only ordered one.
Gotta look blue.
So I went ahead and I ordered an extra 5T ruffle and an extra 4T ruffle. And then a size 14 shirt because I just used my last one. And then there was a size 8 ruffle. And I almost added it in my cart, like the size 8 ruffle. And I was like, well, that's not a size I use that often. You know, I'll just be, you know, I'll probably be holding on to it for a while. It'll just be over here. So I didn't order that one. And I got an order for an 8 ruffle. So now I'm going to have to order an 8 ruffle. But I just thought it was funny that I thought that I should go with my instinct. Anyway, I have a list. I made a new list. So there is just 2 pages of sample ideas. I feel like, you know, when if you watch The Elf, I don't know where my other book is that I had them written down in. Anyway, where they bring Miles, whoever, in to give ideas, and he leaves his book there, like his ideas, his samples of, you know, children's books or whatever. So I feel like.
We can do Christmas with paper plates first.
You need to clean that up. Just throwing. She shredded a styrofoam plate and then threw it in the air. You okay?
I don't like that.
Well, this is my book for my samples. Oh, you make my glitter nail? I painted one nail with glitter. Glitter! Is it so pretty? That's what Daddy got me for Christmas. Anyway, so yeah, I have my list. And all of these are already designs that I own.
Cardboard.
Good. Yeah. I need the cardboard.
What's wrong? This?
Yeah. You can color on it, but just give it back when you're done.
Do I color on here?
Yeah, if you want. Anyway, so it is Sunday, and we will have Sunday dinner. So I plan on working. It's 2:43 right now. I will go up about 4. Yeah. And start my meatloaf, and then we're gonna eat about 5:30 again. So meatloaf takes about it's a bigger meatloaf, so it'll be about an hour. I usually leave it in the oven for about an hour. Normally it's about 45 minutes, but because I make such a big one, I leave it in there longer. So I'll be making meatloaf, and then you did. We're gonna have mashed potatoes and green beans, and then biscuits with it. So I'll go up and make the meatloaf about 4. And it'll probably go in the oven about 4:15, so that way at like 5:15 I can pull it out and let it rest. And then throw the biscuits in there. Is Cora? No, Cora's got a birthday party to go to. I don't know if Nathan's coming. Maybe. Anyway, let's... So tell me, how was your dinner?
It was delicious. Thank you very much.
How was your cheesecake?
It was good.
Well, there's some right there.
Just to prove to myself how delicious it was.
It'd be better with some berries on top.
No, you don't want to ruin it like that. You go to Disney. Do they
Raspberries.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, raspberries or...
Glue?
No, not glue.
Stuck on glue. What do you do?
Blueberries.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.